Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 11th of November. Happy Veterans Day and happy, oh, not Veterans Day, I'm sorry. Happy Remembrance Day. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, Anthony Miller. Anthony Miller, I'm ashamed. Anyways, happy Remembrance Day to the veterans, to the people who lost their life when it came on to serving time in the war, and happy Remembrance Day to the people who have fought war and still are here to tell the stories, the tales, as to what war was like and how was life after coming back from war. And even if they should have went to war. Taurus, I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Taurus, your channel, you don't know, Una can say off key, like how Offset is off Cardi B, but una got tired to hear me voice. Only my real fans must stay on this one. This is your channel song, Taurus. You know, so we have to go. Wherefore you don't know, so we have to. Don't stop. Oh, what's that feeling? My love the feeling. My wife feel everything in me. Look up your gun, make it bust in me. Breathe me, you are my sugar daddy. Bear back, look up in me. Lord God, how you feel so good. My love home, so just like grab your hood. Me can't hold it. Me can't hold it. Me can't hold it, me a balloon. Reckon like me up a balloon. And when you me so good, G. So I know you are real B. Right now me up a balloon. Me can't hold it. Me can't hold it. Me can't hold it, me a balloons. Regular me up for balloons. And when you miss a good thing, so I know you are real G. Duffy Magnum, riding on me up for balloons. Regular me up for balloons. When you touch me so good, B. So I know you are real G. I know you're a real G the way how you touch me so good, baby. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. So, me getting I can't hold it. Right now you have a ball out. Regular you have a ball out. The way you it's so good, B. So, Taurus, you know he's a real G. Because sweetie, if he hits you with missionary style and he kisses your forehead while he's penetrating you, why the fuck would you leave that alone? Why? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. So let us see what is your incarnation in this lifetime, Taurus. We have the Ace of Pentacles. So I'm getting money. You're around money. You work with money. Either you're the person who does the payout. Okay, I'm getting lotto. I'm getting an agent. You're an agent. Don't know what that means. So I'm getting agent, agency. You're an agency. You're an agent. You're a representative, something like that. But I'm getting a deal with people money. You give people money, you exchange money. This could be bank, something in one bank, finances. I'm getting you handle money, or you give prize winning money. What is your spiritual gift? You have the magician, yeah. So you're the magician. I'm getting you're a magician basically. Maybe you're Pisces, not Pisces, Taurus. I'm getting you have the ability, I'm getting you're like a lucky unicorn. Now this, Taurus, this might be something where it depends on if your chart have it. You will have a placement where Taurus will rule possession. I'm getting you're a lucky horseshoe, but the luck don't come to you. So for example, you meet a friend, you hang out with the friend win lotto. But the friend win lotto because you hang out with them, because you are the lucky horseshoe. You see, if the friend decides to give you half a help you, that's how you end up help yourself out of it. But I'm getting the luck won't fall in your hands. I'm getting you're lucky, the luck not gonna fall in your hands specifically. It will fall in the hands of people around you, and it's up to the people around you to see if they're gonna betray you, or they're gonna turn them back on you, or they're gonna help you. So I'm getting you as a money magnet. You can me don't know. Me kind of get it. Me don't know. Do you have access to money? Me don't know if there was a. Me don't know if something was hidden all your life, Taurus. Me getting you been producing money. Me getting you go every time you go sleep and wake up and check something, money in there. You go sleep, you wake up, you check it, money in there. Me getting you know how to do this, or there's something that's tied to you. That's why them lock up in a one blood clot cage like fucking monkey. Cause bear chimpanzee and make money at the zoo. Right? So this is the pentacles, so the pentacle here. But so the high priest, so the magician here. So there's something about you know how to manifest money. No, this could be a money spell on you. Cause I'm getting something supposed to be coming to you easily, but witchcraft will stop it. The spiritual gift though is you know how to manifest quickly. What is your weakness? And you don't have to work. Yeah, because monkeys entertain, they don't work. They entertain people, don't? So your money will come from entertainment. It now come from the blood clots. Welcome to Chick-fil-A. Even though we love Chick-fil-A. Alright, what is your weakness? Your weakness is a 9 of cups. I'm getting your weakness is drinking. Or your weakness is you keep and do the spell over and over again. Me getting I say get one wish, you're gone for another wish. Or I'm getting as soon as you get what you want, you don't manifest, you don't cleanse the space, you don't close the ritual, you're gonna get drunk. Because you get your wish. What's your strength? The word, okay, well your strength is Lord God, how you love me. Me can't hold it. Your strength is me can't hold it, me a ball out. Regular me a ball out. The way you make sound good. The feel. I feel everything in me. Look at the gun that keep us in me. Man, you want my sugar daddy. Dear, but no pain on me. Land God, how you feel so good. No, just grab you. I can't hold it. I can't hold it. I can't hold it, Mia. Okay, no, sorry. Okay. So yeah, so what I was trying to say to you is what the fuck? Yeah. So I'm getting 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your strength. Your strength is 6, very good in the bedroom. You know who wants to say that you can make money by having sex? And I don't know why I want to say that to you, because that's not something I want to say to you in this moment, Taurus. But me getting your weakness at the drinking, but your strength at the sex. So maybe intoxicated sex is something you know how to control, okay? How are you using your gifts to help though? I'm getting your gift is a magician. So you get drunk, you get intoxicated, you get under the influence. You're getting you use this for make money, you use it for have sex. How are you using your gifts to help? The 3 of Swords, you're not helping. You're getting you only to help yourself. Or you must keep somebody captive and I make money off of them. Because I'm getting you are a manipulator. I'm getting the money where I get is not your money. It's like you thief it from somebody else. Or you're pretending to be in love with this woman so that you can get access to her money. But I'm getting you don't got no money. You broke. And how are you using it to destroy? The 4 of drinking. Okay, so all you care about is manifesting money so you can buy alcohol for drink. Huh? This is what I'm seeing, Taurus. Even though you follow me up a ball out. So maybe this is something I like though. But me getting you now use your gifts for help the masses. Not saying that you should. Me getting your gift is only to help yourself. Taurus rules possessions. So it's either you can get other people, you can manipulate other people for give for them things, or you're getting the only thing you care about are drinking right now. This is drinking and having sex. Okay, great. And what is the outcome? The Lovers. Yeah, me can't only me a ball out. The Lovers card, Gemini energy. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead. We have I was innocent. We have the Hierophant. Me can't hold me a ball. We have Libra, we have lying. I don't know who was lying, okay? And one more. Leo. Until next time.